$37, $38, $39, 40,000 Kenyan shillings.
Yeah, so this is just one of the small preparation where the players will come and sharpen their skills and hands as we wait for the big tournament. So starting this week, tomorrow we'll be bringing our equipments. We will be doing the mega tournament in Tamasha. So we just urge the Eldoret people, those who have not yet registered, to register. We are going to close our registration on the 7th, and we are targeting like more than 1,000 players.
This time around, the reason is I was very tough on the final because the table is very nice. The table is sweet. We senior players, we need good tables to show people that we know how to play this game.